Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks so much for being here. This is Kim Conrad with Kim's Table Talks, Vitamins for Your Soul, here on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Today I'm drawn, there is so much going on for so many of us. I wrote a poem that actually was published here in Colorado called Avalanche. And you'll understand why, that we end up seeing more possibilities when a whole bunch of stuff gets shook loose. And how that you can turn anything to support you to be greater than you've ever been. I one time spoke with some of you know I've rebuilt my body and my life 3 times. I one time spoke with a special forces person, and they spoke of the same thing, that you keep your eye, your sense, your knowing, your becoming on and with that vision. You are actually living that vision of becoming. And then you notice and you deal with other things, and you keep moving them into support of the vision that you have, that you declare, that you can experience. For me, it's right now I'm becoming possibly healthier than I've ever been in my entire life. And this is possible. So my goal is to be a living example that caterpillars do become butterflies. And we intend and take actions inside and out and use anything and everything to turn life as best we can into a more golden opportunity. So this is Avalanche. May it be as much value for you as it has been for many others. Do not despair when all about you chaos reigns. It's often the avalanche that uncovers lost cities, the whispers of marinating treasures waiting until it was time to see the light of day again. Uncover your hearts. Lay bare your souls. Love that which has felt lost, mistreated, or lonely. Let your DNA unravel into kingdoms and queendoms waiting to be born. Tuck yourself into your heart again. It's time. Shine like stars because you are one. Let waters cleanse generations of old stories whose time has come to fall away like petals on a dying rose that gives birth to new seeds. Use your being's universally given truth-seeking voice to be the eye of each and every storm. Stand and speak out. Resource fully, peacefully, powerfully, poignantly, unceasingly for injustice. Use laced arrows to pierce false foundations with the accuracy of unified intention. Stand for your fellow man and woman, for all of life and planet. Unite in this calling of the universe. There are cells who came to dissolve the caterpillar, and there are those, us, these united states of being, who came to create the butterfly. Imaginal cellular listening that births from beyond all conditioned knowledge to the pages of the book, future written, whose time is now. Co-creating this butterfly destined in its becoming through action-taking imaginal cells marching are keenly awarenessing, collaborating, resiliencing, integrating, future forward. The stakes are high. Our future here affects the future of the entire solar system we are part of. Silence is no longer golden. unless you're meditating with intention. Use quiet reflection to give clarified voice so knowing is clear, effective, and alignment making for all. Life needs to unravel itself to reweave itself. We are part of life's reweavers. Uncomfortable though it may be on the edge of creation's brilliance, trust. Trust in the innate intelligence of life itself. Internal growth does not happen unless there is a choice to meet the challenge. Greatness is forged through meeting great challenges. Meet your challenges. You were designed to do so. Even if you be shaky and doubting, or ready and willing, or both, begin. Be bold. Make calls. Volunteer again. Write, learn, stretch. Keep going. Receive. Help others. Be helped by others. March. Breathe. Vote in all your capacities with your thoughts, actions, feelings, words, money, connections, energy, etc. Be kind to you and this world. Have the cellular window cleaner wash clean the windows of your soul so you see clean, fresh, new, here, now. Be cause, because you are designed to, because we are designed to. In this together we are. I see the perfection in you. I see the perfection in you. Please look in the mirror. And I wordplay in that, as I often do. So I will post the writing of it after this live, and I'll post it. If this goes to YouTube, I will post it there too, so that you can see it. Which I'm really visual. I don't know about you. So be with that. Feel it. Allow it. Become it. And trust. As Clarissa Pinkola Estes has said, you are a seaworthy vessel, or you wouldn't be here. And I'll share, do you realize that your track record for making it through challenging days is 100%, or you wouldn't be here? And my last little tidbit promised for today is about a diamond. And we've all been through Earth School and life's challenges. So I invite that we're all diamonds and becoming more resilient, more sparkling, more amazing diamonds all the time. For a diamond, let's see if this is readable. A diamond is a chunk of coal that did well under pressure. A diamond is a chunk of coal that did well under pressure. And that you are a diamond. This world is a diamond. Let's help it unveil ourselves and each other and this world in more and more amazing, healthy, resilient, collaborative, thriving ways. On that note, thank you so much for being here. Please like, subscribe. Well, actually, subscribe would be YouTube. So please like and follow this page. And it's facebook.com/KimConradVisionary for Facebook, and also on YouTube. If indeed, for any reason, you are feeling stuck, you are a very intuitive, energetically connected being and you kind of feel out of place or haven't really felt understood, please message me, and I invite you to have a free 20-minute, you want to call it consultation, discovery session, strategy session, whatever fits you. That's what this is about, is whatever is most in support of you. I'm very good at that. And if you have dreams, you can feel the calling that you want to bring to life, message me. I'm really good with that too. Thank you again for being here. Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Until then, next Wednesday, please be safe, be well, and be kind, and have some laughs along the way. Bye-bye.